What is going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. This morning I want to take a look at ADAX's price, the chart movement, kind of that little period. It's like we're at the bottom, it feels like, right? We're not going much lower than like 94, 87, 85, 80 cents. Like this little range here seems to be, historically speaking, with this asset, where the money starts to come in and that floor seems to hit. Ever since about August 24th, it's kind of just been that resistance area where we see it to surge back up around this price. I'm going to get into ADAX's price. We're going to take a look at IOHK mentioning ADAX along with SundaeSwap in their Light Wallet presentation, as well as just take a look at this Motley Fool article. Motley Fool is not like the biggest publication, or it's not like the end-all be-all of publications, but they do mention how fundamentally speaking, ADAX will be providing one of the pillars of the Cardano ecosystem as far as a DEX exchange. So we'll get into that and just kind of a general ADAX update after a slow week. But I do think that coming up this week, we should have some developments from the team based on what I'm hearing. So let's get into the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button. We come out with brand new videos here on the channel every single day over crypto, altcoins, crypto gaming gems, and all of the above. And be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, if you are bullish on ADAX, etc. Let's get into it here. ADAX sitting at 95 cents today, and I'm not going to spend too much time on this video. This is going to be a quick one, but I just want to mention how this is that zone. This is the resistance zone that we're in. I do see a surge coming, starting the audit. Like they said, they are about to get started on the audit. So whenever that gets started, when the central exchange listing comes, whenever it's KuCoin, whether it's, as they mentioned, Bitmart is talking to them as well. So whenever they get that centralized exchange listing, we saw what a centralized exchange listing did for KuCoin on Blocktopia. It took it from about 0.004 all the way up to above a cent and like some change, like 1.3 cents. Which was a very good move. That was a clean 3x upon KuCoin listing, not to mention the success that its IGO had. Whenever ADAX does get that KuCoin listing or that centralized exchange listing, we see that it can have a good effect on the price. So that is something that ADAX is waiting on, guys. We only have 5 million in trading volume, and we have 5 million in trading volume on one exchange. So whenever this thing gets out to more exchanges, I do see some good things happening for ADAX. And if that does come this month, then that will be a good development with the audit hopefully progressing. Hopefully good things coming out of ADAX's camp soon. And I think we might see a demo at some point in October, maybe early November, who knows? But I think we will see something pretty soon, guys. So let's get into the Light Wallet video on the IOHK official YouTube channel. So IOHK, this project one is kind of like, as you see in the thumbnail, the new Cardano Light Wallet. So let's listen to what they have to say about the operability of Project
Once you've done
One.
that, you're ready to enter your Project One wallet. From your wallet, you'll be able to connect to dApps within our ecosystem. Yes, that means jumping into DEXs like SundaeSwap or ADAX to swap your favorite tokens.
So bullish in general for IOHK on their official channel to have a video up here that is directly mentioning and promoting basically ADAX as a DEX of choice. SundaeSwap being mentioned a lot by the IOHK camp, and the developments they've had with the C fund investments and all that good stuff. It was good to hear ADAX in that same sentence from an IOHK promoted product, the new Cardano Light Wallet in Project One. So this is good news in general. It's nothing big. This is not like groundbreaking news. But the fact that we are being mentioned in that top tier competition is what it's all about, and that is on IOHK's official YouTube channel. And then on the Motley Fool, they are basically saying right now Cardano's not moving because the development of the ecosystem is on its way, but it's just not there yet, right? So right now we have, with much prospects already baked into its 70 billion market cap, it's time for Cardano to live up, but projects are still in their infancy. The top 5 peer-to-peer projects, or dApps, under the development are peer-to-peer crypto trading platform, decentralized exchange, ADAX. So that is good to see. We're mentioned alongside like Cardax, CNFT.io, Indigo Finance, and Theos. So not a bad. Any publicity is good publicity for a project that the marketing could be a little better. I think this is, exactly what needs to, a little more publicity on ADAX is literally what we need. So a little push in this article from Motley Fool, and a little bit of mention on an IOHK video, which I think is the bigger development, to be honest. The fact that we are being considered right in that top flight is what it's all about. So very bullish on everything we've heard this week. There's been no news, there's been no updates, but it is what it is. And I think we will have a big backstretch of October coming up for ADAX, and I'm excited to see what occurs this month. If you are new to the channel, guys, if you are bullish on ADAX, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. We come out with frequent updates on ADAX and other Cardano DeFi tokens and crypto gaming gems, and be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video. I'll be back later today, most likely with another video. I'll be back later. Keep hustling. Peace.